Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add NGL link on your Instagram story. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply download NGL and then you have to open it. And after that, it's showing here you have to enter your Instagram username. So I have already entered. So what you have to do is just simply tap on copy link and then tap on OK. And from here what you have to do is just simply tap on share. Here you can see guys, here are the four steps. So you have to tap on next step. Again you have to tap on link, tap on next step, and here you have to paste link next step, and here you have to set your NGL link. Okay guys, now let me show you here. Just simply tap on share on Instagram, and from here what you have to do is just simply tap on the second and scroll it on, and here you can see guys, link option. Just simply tap on this, and from here what you have to do is just simply paste that link and then tap on done. And now you can see here is your NGL link, so you can paste here. So if you want to edit your NGL link, so you can do from here. Just simply tap on this, and from here what you have to do is just simply tap on this icon, and from here what you have to do is just simply tap on share, and after that your NGL link will be shared on your Instagram story. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.